salted caramel with very nice recipe and cost cheap, expire over than 3 months. As you see, it's shiny, the color from world chocolate. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis. In pastry over than 30 years all over the world to bring you the expensive and cheaper recipe with all easy steps to teach you all kind of pastry, dessert, bakery, and chocolate bonbon, whatever you name it. First of all, 100 gram cocoa butter, 45 degree, 10 gram of brown chocolate color. We blend it, strain it, and tempering for 29 degree and spray with spray gun, as you see. Then 100 gram of cocoa butter, 10 gram of titanium oxide, 45 degree. We blend it, we strain, and then we spray. And then we leave it 6 hours before we added chocolate. So any spray, minimum 4 to 6 hours or overnight in room temperature. Then we tempering white chocolate, and as you see, we fill all the mold. We keep it from 50 to 60 seconds in room temperature, 18 to 20 centigrade. We shake the mold. We leave it 50-60 seconds, then upside down. And now we have perfect shell. As you see, perfect shell. If you leave it longer, it will have thicker shell. So you can control with the temperature and the timing. We leave it to crystallization, and this ganache normally I do 1 day before. So the ganache and the spray, I do it 1 day before I make praline, and this very important step. Here we go, 200 gram chocolate, sugar, 200 gram crystal sugar or normal sugar, medium temperature until becomes light golden. And this salted caramel, so cheap, we don't use fresh cream, we don't use condensed milk, we don't use chocolate, it's just pure salted caramel. When turn to caramel, as you see, I added 40 gram butter. Keep stirring until becomes a beautiful dark golden color. In same times, I prefer to added 100 gram. All my recipe not by milliliter, all use gram. So you have one scale for everything and no confusing. So 100 gram of milk, fresh milk, I prefer to keep it in microwave for 20 seconds. It's much better to use it when it's hot, better than we add it to cold. The secret, you keep it medium degree. When dissolve the milk, you added 100 gram full milk powder, full fat milk powder, and that will be consistent. And then we added pinch of sea salt, and we use hand blender to make all ingredients creamy, soft, and really smooth. This quantity, I use it for almost 4 mold. I blend it very well till becomes creamy. I leave it overnight in room temperature, and then I can use it second day to fill all my mold. After 24 hours, I added the caramel to piping back, and then I start piping all my mold. One of the best salted caramel recipe and also very economy. I fill my mold as you see. The shape you can decide, the texture you can decide, the feeling. Normally I leave like 1.5 millimeter empty, then I can cover with my dark chocolate. I like this combination. I make white chocolate shell and then the base from milk chocolate. I cover all. Every video have many ways to do the covering. You can add it also plastic bag as I see I did in many videos, and then I just one time scrub and they have all the bottom covered. Then I keep it in the fridge 15 to 20 to 25, it's depending about the fridge you have. And when it's crystallization, I can remove my mold and I can have very beautiful, tasty, salted caramel praline. Please write in comment below if you like the recipe. If you have any comment, if you want to make any kind of praline best, write in the comment below. Thank you so much.